Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about welfare activities in rural and backward areas because this is English learning channel and I think that you should watch videos on different types of topics. In this way you would come to know the new sentences, you would come to know the new words and their meanings. If we talk on same subject on daily basis, then same sentences, same words would come in front of you. In this way you will not be able to learn the new things and new sentences. When we discuss on different topics, then there are the opportunities that you would know a lot of different words and other sentences. So today my topic is the welfare activities in rural areas. You know that in rural and backward areas the facilities are very less and people are living their life very hardly and they are facing a lot of problems while living in village areas. So I think that welfare activity, welfare work is needed to be done there. So I have seen in my area that some NGOs are coming and they are working in some way. They are constructing the houses for poor people where they find, because I have seen that each and every person is in problem right now. You know that the prices of each and everything has risen. In this way everybody is worried about their financial condition. So they are hardly I think that living their lives. In this way welfare activities are much necessary, and those who are doing the welfare activities are participating as a donor. I think that they are appreciated and their work is appreciated, because in this era only I think that there are some people, those have the pain of humanity, because without having pain inside you or without any kind of sympathy, you can't able to do the welfare activities. I have seen so many people, those are rich, wealthy, but they are not able to do the welfare activities. For doing the welfare activities, specific kind of mentality is required, and that special thinking is given to less people, and those who are doing such kind of welfare activities should be appreciated in the society, so that they should do more welfare work for the welfare being of people, those living in backward areas, in rural areas, or those who are living the very tough life. When I have seen when they are doing the welfare activities, there are the kinds of people. Some people, those you can judge that they are poor by looking their outer self, the outer condition. One can judge that they are poor people and we should support them. But there is a kind of people, those are the white collar people. They wear very good dresses, they wear very good shoes, they talk in good manner, and they never ask you for support. But they are facing a lot of problems. Financially they are weak. They are the extremely white collar people of the society. I think the people, those are doing the welfare work, should take notice of those people who are the white collars and support them silently, because the white collar people don't like show off. When they are given something, they don't like that you should make the publicity of that thing, because they have such kind of honor in the society and they don't want to disturb or degrade their honor. So the donors, the people, those are doing the welfare activities, should take notice of those white collar people also. And I think that only those people can judge the white collar peoples who has been suffered from such kind of white collar position. Otherwise it is very difficult to judge people, because when you go in the rural area, backward areas to support people, everybody is coming to you, will say that I am poor person, I am needy person. Exactly, they are needy, everybody is needy. But in this way, some most needy people are ignored. Those are not coming to you, those are not saying to you, and you are not judging them that they are white collar people and they needed some sympathy, some support. So I think that when if you are doing the welfare activities, wherever you go, look around there, the white collar peoples, support them, because they are much needy than those who are the poor. Poor are also needy. Everybody is, I am saying that in underdeveloped countries, everybody is needy. But some people, those are living their life with white collar position, they require the attention of welfare organizations. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.